guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this really colorful spring makeup look. I used the new Riviera palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It looks like this. And this was their spring launch and I just love the colors in this palette. There's so many beautiful colors. I've been loving playing with it. I've created quite a few looks with it, but I have not done a tutorial yet, so I wanted to do a tutorial for you guys. So yeah, I just did this fun cut crease type look here. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Zakaila. You can follow me on social media at Zakaila Savage. Make sure you click that subscribe button so you can join the Z fam. And without further ado, let's just jump into today's tutorial. So I'm taking this bright pink shade called Bahamas and I'm gonna start blending that out in my crease. And I'm just doing this to kind of make the shape I want to blend in. Now I'm gonna go with this muted peachy shade called Coastline. So I'm taking that light peachy shade Coastline and I'm gonna blend that right on the edges. And then I'm gonna go back in with the bright pink shade Bahamas and brighten that up even more. Now I'm gonna go back in with that Bahamas shade and just pack it all over the lid. Now I'm going in with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer and I'm going to create the cut crease. So I basically just did a half cut crease and then I just curved it in instead of just like making it keep going and go flat. I'm just taking some of that hot pink Bahamas and I'm cleaning up the edges. Now I'm going in with this beautiful aqua shimmer shade. So I'm going to spray my brush and I'm going to put it right at the ends here. Now I'm going in with this purple shade right here called Canes. And I'm just going to be packing that right under the blue. Now I'm going with some NYX Cosmetics felt tip liner and I'm just going to pop that on my lash line so that it helps hide the band in my fake lashes. Okay, I'm going to go back in with that shade Bahamas. And I'm just going to put that all over my lash line. Then I'm going to take the shade Coastline again and I'm just going to bring that right under. Now I'm going in with this white eyeliner pencil from NYX. I'm just going to put that right on my waterline. Now I'm going to go in with this yellow gold shade called Inheritance. And I'm going to pop that right on the inner corner. Okay, I'm going to put on my lashes, then I'll be right back. I'm going to be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in the shade Stripped. I'm going to go on top with my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Okay guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed today's makeup tutorial. I did a really fun, colorful spring look using the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. I'm super obsessed with this new palette because it's so colorful. And as you know, Anastasia palettes are generally very neutral, so I've been super excited about this palette and I've been using it a ton. Yeah, if you liked today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe below and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys!